From sign up to published article, if you want to publish articles on INKISH News, you must be a registered and confirmed user. It's free and there are absolutely no strings attached. Click on the login icon in the upper right corner. Click on New User, Sign Up. Enter your first name, last name, email, and a password of your own choice. Tick the Accept box. Now click Sign Up. Shortly after, you will receive a confirmation mail. This is to ensure that your sign up is genuine. Back to INKISH News and click the login icon in the upper right corner again. Log in with your email and password just created. The first time you log in, you will be asked a few more questions to understand who you are and what you do. It's a short process, but it's important. Finally, you can authorize your Twitter account so your articles automatically will be tweeted after being published. This is optional. Now you are registered and you are ready to go. Now click Create Article. You can drag and drop the different elements you would like your articles to consist of. It could be a header, a photo, text. And what about tables, quotes, maps, videos, etc.? All the options at your fingertips and quite easy to use, we would say. When your article is finished, you can preview it on different devices by clicking Preview. You can also click Save and either save as draft for later editing or save and request for publish. Regardless, you will have to fill out a few more details about your article before it's online. When your article is done, it will be reviewed by INKISH and released mostly within minutes. It's not that difficult, but in case you need help, our support team is ready to support you. We hope to see great content from you soon.